Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video on my live editing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I create a video from ideation to execution and from storyboarding to motion designs and animation. Everything from scratch. I have divided the video in two parts. In the first part, I will show you the ideation, that where I found ideas and all, and make the storyboards according to that. And in the second part, we'll show you the composition in Premiere Pro and also the smooth motions. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have come to my web browser. I have only the script and the voice and nothing I have done yet. Let's take what it says in the script. So it says money loss can be earned again, but time loss is gone forever. So from here, I think that what the video is all about. So here it says money loss. So money losses, or I can only say that the money. And then it says, but time loss is gone forever. So time, I have to show anything that is related to time. Let's get the ideation first. So from here, go to pinterest.com, go to explore. Let's say money visual design. So यहाँ मैंने कुछ reference लिए हैं. So you can check the references. And now is to make a storyboard. And for storyboard, I always use Photoshop. So let's go to Photoshop. So I open the Photoshop. From here, I will take new file, rename it as storyboard. Take the width 1080 and height 1920. So orientation, I always fill this, and for this one I always select artboards. So you can see a bit later that what artboards did. Now create. Okay, so this is, you can see that artboard 1, and whenever I have one like first frame ready, then I will select this, so you can create another artboard in the same place. Okay, you can make the storyboard one by one, so you can take endless number of artboards. So here from the reference, let's do something like for the money. Okay, because I don't get any good money references. So let's say it says money loss can be earned again. Let's find some money PNGs. So here I have found some assets for time and money. First of all, use high quality PNGs. So now I have the assets and I have the script. Then on the basis of that, and I have also the reference, so all I gather here on a folder. So here is the reference, here is the voice and script, here is the assets, and I have added some pre-made textures that I have downloaded from Pinterest as well. So I will every assets you will get in the description box, so let's check the link in the description box below. So then I will start to create the storyboard. So let's say I think start from here. Let's say bring money, bring it in the middle, Control T, and scale it up, scale it more. Now let's see the reference once again, something like this. Okay, so what it said that money loss can be earned again. I choose this one. This looks good, but I also have the eyes on this structure as well. It doesn't matter कि कैसा है क्या नहीं है, but you can go for your own style. Okay, so you can see here कि यहाँ पे timing matters. यहाँ पे एक और line है, and there is something very low opacity in the behind this frame, and they did some color grades, and they have a flashy thing, something like this. So here I take a gradient, and let's say I choose a bluish tone of this one, something like this, or purplish. Also, I have to give one gradient. So let's rename it gradient. I know कि video थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, but I need to show you that how I work, because so many of you have asked me that how I create the videos. So let's duplicate this gradient and bring it up, and let's change its position. Now what will we do? We add some text, and let's say like money, and I'm using Helvetica new, and all caps. Let's give this color, and bring the opacity down. Again, select the layer, press Ctrl T, scale it up, and bring it after money. Let's duplicate the layer a bit more. Okay, it's just a rough sketch. I don't have to make it like very clean and polished. So, like, this is not our design class. So I will keep bringing down the opacity. Okay, so it looks something like this. Now let's see what it says, like money loss can be earned again. So money loss can be earned again. Let's just add the text here, and we will leave the first frame here. Now let's make a bit prominent to add a texture. So let's name it texture. So let's not to spend time much more on this, and let's take it as multiply and bring the opacity down. So let's bring the texture first. Let's say this one, or I think this one is good. So let's go here, take it down here, and a little bit of bigger the size. Let's reposition this, and now let's change the blend mode to difference. So now we have created our first frame, and now I'm going to create our next frame similar to this one. So you can as you can see that I have take something from this frame and also combined with this frame. Okay, so like it's on you that how you see the design. This is how I create the designs. Okay, now what will I do? I will do similar design for the time. Okay, so let's take the time. Let's change this to move tool, then take it from here to here, resize this and rotate this, take it in the middle. Also I have the frame, but before that I have some lines here. So as you can see the lines, take a brush, take a layer here, then take the brush tool and just simply draw the line. Let's take it down. So here I name this layer lines, and this one is time object. I'm not good in naming the layers, so select the line layer and select the brush tool and make it like black. Then just draw the lines like something like this, and yeah, let's say this. Okay, so this is the line that roughly I have only the text behind this object. So what's the text here? But time loss is gone forever. Okay, the main thing is time loss. Okay, so let's take the text here. Let's write time. Let's make it a more bigger, or I can use like any tall fonts, something like Babus. So in design, don't take too much font, only take one or two fonts. So let's take it minimal as you can, as possible you can. So yeah, then again I will add the text here as well. Let's Control C and Control V here. Take the text down the line, and also okay, the rest of the text I didn't written. So but is gone forever. Okay, is gone forever, but all right. Now यहाँ पे जो but होगा, इसको मैं इस तरीके से लिखूंगा. You can see here, ये जो यहाँ पे जो like है ना ये box में ये but. So I try to write like this. So Control J. Let's write but, B-U-T. Take it Helvetica font. Bring it more close, like 50 or 40 I use. Okay, for this one also, but I will do this in the video. Okay, so let's keep it as it is. So here I will write the but, and let's say like bring the rectangle here. All right, change the color, change the fill to this color. Let's say change the fill to this color. Okay, change the color of the butt in white. So you can see that here they use a little gradient here. So I will also use a gradient in the rectangle, but in the video, not here. It's a rough thing, so let's keep it rough. Okay, and then it's written like is gone forever. So let's copy this one, this text here. So this is the storyboard that I create. I also add this layer as well, the frame. Let's rename it as frame. Then Control C here and Control V here. Okay, so this is the two frames, and then this two frame I will create in the video now. ऑल राइट, शायद आपको ये मन में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि यार इतना कुछ करना पड़ता है लाइक स्टोरी बोर्डिंग में, इतना सब कुछ. द आंसर इज नो, यू डोंट हैव टू शो यू दैट हाउ आई क्रिएट द वीडियोस. लाइक मैं इतना कुछ करता भी नहीं हूँ, मैं जस्ट very roughly I do just to show the design a little bit, and how I execute the videos. That's why I keep this one. So that's why I do a lot of thing here, but you don't have to. When you edit your own videos, just make some rough thing in the Photoshop or in Canva, whatever you used, it doesn't matter. इसको करके then you can do the rest of the thing in the video in the final section. Okay, so subscribe to my channel if you want more updates on my videos, and if you like the videos, please hit the like button.